It's probably going to be a better deal for you over here than overpacking your bag.
No seeds, no rice.
Do not let your parents pack your luggage.
I don't see a need to overpack on a lot of things.
Hey friends, welcome to Chine Coaching. I'm Rob, and we're all about guiding people on their cross-cultural journey to be successful, especially international students. And we'll be giving you guys the most important tips that you need as you prepare to go abroad, especially for people starting this fall. Now, Swastik, tell us, what's the big important tip about packing luggage that new students need to know?
Well, I learned it the hard way. So obviously, when I traveled here for the first time, I definitely overpacked, and whenever I go back home, my parents would they never listen. My family would always end up overpacking my luggage. But to be honest, I don't see a need to overpack on a lot of things. Yes, certain things, maybe like small utensils or certain things that are very quintessential about India, you can bring with you that reminds you of home. But in terms of a lot of spices or food items and things like that, or clothing, there is no need to overpack because there are plenty of resources and places around that you can get it. There are big supermarkets like Walmart, Fry's, and a lot of these grocery stores, and a lot of Indian restaurants and grocery stores around as well, where you get all these spices and different things that you get in India. So don't feel that you'll be left out or you won't have access to all of these things. The second thing is in terms of clothing and a lot of electronic devices. Now, the wattage requirements are different in India as compared to the US. So you don't need to bring everything from like back home. Over here, they have yearly semi-annual sales and things like that, where you get all these electronics and stuff for pretty cheap. So it's probably going to be a better deal for you over here than overpacking your bags, which adds extra few pounds to your to your luggage.
So the one thing I would like to add when you're packing your luggage is that, first of all, do not let your parents pack your luggage. Make sure that you know what's going into your suitcases, because many of the times when it comes to like when you're trying to pass the customs and stuff like that, some things might look different on the X-ray machine, and they'll be like, do you have this in your bag? And you'll be like, I don't know, my parents packed it. And they'll basically look at you like, wait, what? Are you sure these are your bags? So you want to make sure that you know what exactly is going into your bags. Because
Jira was the really bad thing the other year when I was picking up students. Everyone got stuck at customs because they packed Jira, and they packed it for cooking.
Cumin seeds,
the cumin, the Jira seeds, those things are going to get you stopped. You'll have to throw them away, and then people pick you up at the airport and have to wait hours. So don't pack that.
All like fresh produce. Like people think, oh, you know what? I want like the initial few days of I want to make sure I have like rice and like dal, like just like basic stuff.
Correct.
But
don't pack rice.
They won't let that go through customs because for other reasons, but like bottom line, do not pack any fresh produce because most likely that will get rejected during customs.
No seeds, no rice. Try to avoid spices if you can. Bring some basic, maybe chili and
Box things are okay.
Box things are fine. Cooked things are fine. Cooked dry stuff is absolutely fine, but try to make sure none of it is like a liquid sloshing around sort of gravy thing. So
dry snacks are good, and also coordinate with your roommates. It's bad if all four of you show up with a giant pressure cooker. So have one person bring the pressure cooker, someone bring something else, and coordinate. Save your luggage. But you can get,
that's true.
There's a little place in America called Walmart where you can get everything.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
One important question a lot of people ask is, should I buy a phone? Because a lot of people are switching phones when they come to the US. Should I buy my phone in India or should I buy my phone in the US? There are chances that if you come to the US, you will get it for at least half off, if not more. There's a lot of discounts going on. A lot of
free promotions
going on. A lot of mobile phone carriers like T-Mobile or Verizon, the equivalent of Airtel and Vodafone here. A lot of them have promotion offers where if you buy a certain set of prescribed lines, then you'll get a free phone with your connection, or 2 free phones with your connection. So
family
plans.
Also, I think like the phones over here operate on a different bandwidth as compared to India. So very likely that when you bring in your phone from India, it may not work as well over here. Like you may not get like the fast internet, like 5G.
There are certain 5G bands that are operational in India and certain 5G bands that are operational here, and certain devices that are compatible. So like a OnePlus T bought in India versus something bought in the US has a capability to receive a different bandwidth.
Yeah, and we've got some other great videos about packing and luggage, SIM cards, cell phones, so check those out. Well, this has been amazing. You guys, if you follow these tips, you're gonna be way ahead and have a much better experience going abroad. Give a big like and thumbs up this video to say thanks to these guys, sharing from their experiences, their lessons learned, maybe some of their own mistakes, but these are gonna help you guys. These are awesome tips. Share these with other incoming students as well to help them. We wanna help you guys be successful. Connect with us online on social media so we can continue to guide you and give you more helpful tips like this. And thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time at Shine Coaching. Cheers.